This is a pressurizing system that we used out west, where it continually blows and puts pressure on all the seams to keep the dust out and everything. But man, this works great for me, for one person.
This is beautiful.
It's perfect for one person. And it took me 3 tries to get this, to get what I wanted, you know. I used my Gladiator just for overlanding.
Scott, see what I did right here? For that trip, I built this tank. And then this is higher than the inlet on the Jeep. So I'll just pull this hose out, flip the valve, and it dumps.
Oh, fuel tank.
Dumps 15 gallons right
Gravity
there.
fed.
Boom, right into it, about 10 minutes.
That's nice.
And this shot, 9,000 miles.
Is that what it was?
Yep.
Yeah, last year was right at 8,000.
Yeah.
I mean, we're right at it.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
My thing says it was right this shot, 9,000.
You smell dog on him, don't you? Yeah. He's got dogs too.
Oh, he has dogs? Oh, Archie's on his way out.
Oh, Archie's on the way out.
He's got...
That's my electric hot water heater.
But the shower connects into here to here, and you stand here and take a shower.
Okay.
And but I wanted something that I could stand up, put my pants on. I wanted the toilet on the side, you know, especially for Darcy. And it has worked out really
So what's the internal height then?
it's about 6'3".
Wow.
But that's why this center section comes up.
Right.
And so anyway, that's
Oh, it's perfect.
yeah. Yep. And
Nice build.
We did 870 something miles in New Mexico, and it was rough. Because they
had a lot of
so
rain
much
this spring,
rain.
this summer.
Yeah.
The desert was green. The wildflowers were amazing.
Really?
But the roads, oh my God.
Yeah. It's all washed out and
Washed out. There was
Yeah, you guys love
10-foot
that.
washouts.
walking right there.
Yep. And so this is my boots, for my airbags.
Oh, yep.
Passenger and driver. And I got 2 of these tanks. And this is one thing I'm going to do. This is a 200 PSI pump. On my Wrangler, I had twin air compressors. And I am going to put a second air compressor on it. Just because of time. It just takes, gosh, it's like,
Yeah.
and so,
Waiting for it to build the pressure.
yes. And so I am going to put in another pump.
Wow.
tread and
brownies.
trail, you gotta
They're
try one of
bourbon.
these.
I should have
Bourbon brownies?
Oh,
Somebody was
absolutely
an
not.
alcoholic.
They're delicious.
Oh,
That
you
wouldn't
can't
have been
pass
good.
up a bourbon brownie.
A bourbon brownie.
Hey, Scott, you like bourbon?
I do.
You will after you
We
like
just
these
happen to have a
bottles.
half a bottle of Basil Hayden
Oh, really?
and some Buffalo Trace.
Wow. You guys are serious campers.
Exactly.
earlier, but
Yeah, I've seen it. Yeah. My stuff overlaps to the motorhome.
Nice black stove grill.
Blackstone 1650, $75 at Walmart.
Sweet.
He's not mean, but he's just not.
It was terrible. I mean,
I
that
use it on
dog,
my Avada
he
too.
took it to the bone.
used it on my
I mean, I had to go to the
Yeah, I
hospital.
just got $50
And,
Amazon gift card for rewards from
and I
that.
couldn't be mad at it.